Just wanted to show you guys um, getting pretty good at this LIDAR stuff, and what you see here is Beaubear's Island, exaggerated. In the vertical, I'm actually 3D printing this side of the island because of LIDAR storytelling. Anyways, when you exaggerate the vertical elevation, the LIDAR, you really get a sense of the island. I guess, the path, but all these spots are very important on the island that you can see from the bare Earth data. No trees. We have hot spots. You can see the path here. And, anyways, it's a real interesting technique that I'm using. I'm 3D printing LIDAR right now, and I just thought it was a pretty neat way to show it. I took the Beaubear's Island and exaggerated the LIDAR just to give you a sense of, what parts are higher on Beaubear's Island too. You can see that Beaubear's Island, this is the high area of Beaubear Island, which is toward the Tickle, and kind of gives you a sense of the island itself as a different model. But anyway, I thought I'd show you the this unique view of Beaubear's Island, and I'm planning on 3D printing this part. So, anyways, pretty cool. Show you from different views. Just the front view here, and different views. What the LIDAR looks like. And this is the top view. Beaubear's Island. Thanks.